Hello, mga belly. Heto, may bago na naman akong trip. Na pala, welcome to Choice to the World. Puro kasi ako tourist nung mga nakaraan. Naglaba nga lang ako ng sapatos at kung ano na nga lang maisuot ko dito. Heto na nga, mag-serious muna tayo. This is my day 1 of my 60-day challenge. This one's really close to my heart. It's been 2 years since I gave birth to my son and now I'm showing up for myself. To rebuild strength, improve my energy, and feel healthier from the inside out. My goal for day 1 isn't big, it's about connection. Reconnecting with my body with kindness, gentle movement, and clear intention. I'm not chasing perfection, just consistency and care. Well, I've learned that it's not the intensity. It's the compassion, the first small step that really matters. Okay kung magsalita. Oo nga pala mga baby, pag nag-i-English ako, script yun ng asawa ko. Well, tinuturuan niya lang ako ng konti. Ano daw? Hayaan nyo na, patapos na ako dito mag-exercise. Kung ano lang yung ulam namin, yun lang ang kakainin ko. Babawasan ko lang yung rice. So ayun na nga, after day 1 ng pag-exercise, I feel calm and grounded. The car moves reminded me gently of my strength. The steps rejuvenated me emotionally. So ayun na nga, try natin mag-rejuve. First time ko po magre-rejuve. Kaya itatry ko po yung maraming good feedbacks. Hinilamos ko lang po ang kojic acid soap. Binabad ko po ng mga 1 minuto. At dali-daling binalawan. Eto naman pong toner. Naglagay lang ako ng kaunti sa bulak. And I spread evenly on face and neck in an upward motion. Pinasa ko lang yun sa likod ng box. At yun din naman po yung sinunod ko. Next natin itong cream. Nakalagay pala sa instruction. Thin layer lang yung ating ilalagay. Again, in an upward motion. Nakalagay rin pala dito dapat once a day lang siya gagamitin, preferably before bedtime. And the product is not intended for prolonged use. Isa-search ko pa kung anong meaning nito. Update ko po kayo sa aking day 2. Try ko na rin ilagay itong sunscreen. Medyo maliwanag pa kasi ngayon. And that's day 1 in the book. I'm proud of this gentle stop. See you po on day 2.